Looking for legit ways to get more home improvement leads without wasting cash on sketchy ads? Alright, so if you want to actually pull in quality leads for your contractor gig, first thing is to keep your online presence tight. Make sure your website looks solid and has clear info like services, reviews, and easy contact options. Next up, don't sleep on Google My Business. Getting that set up helps you show up when people search local contractors near me. Also, ask happy clients to drop reviews because everyone checks those before calling someone new. Social media can work, but yeah, Facebook ads without filters are a nightmare. Target your audience carefully, or it's just throwing money away. Try joining local groups or forums where folks talk about home projects and drop helpful advice without being pushy. Email follow-ups can also turn a maybe into a yes, so keep a list and check in politely. Lastly, always be ready to chat. Quick responses build trust way faster than slow replies. One of the biggest mistakes contractors make when chasing leads is ignoring online reviews. Bad or no reviews make people bounce fast, so get on that right now by asking clients for feedback. Another common issue is targeting too broad an audience with ads, which wastes money on people who will never hire you. Instead, use precise filters based on location and project type. Third, many contractors forget to follow up with leads after the first contact, missing out on jobs that could have been theirs. Keep a system to send reminders or check in regularly without being annoying. Fix these and you'll see better results for sure. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners easily find trusted local contractors who actually get the job done right, saving time and stress. For contractors, it's a great way to connect with serious clients and keep the work coming without scrambling for leads.